Taking over my son's GoPro Hero 5. Got it for him for Christmas last year and he just hasn't used it at all, so I'm just going to be playing around with it today. I'm going to head out for a hike here at a local park and see what we can do. That far of a drive from the house, about 5 minutes, just a couple miles up the road, right on the banks of the Grand River. So I'm here at the park and it's kind of like a wet snow, so I think I'm gonna change my outer shell. I'll get too hot if I wear this. I'm gonna put my rain jacket on. This isn't like the greatest hiking park in the world or anything, but you know, it's about 3 miles, so we're gonna stick to the paved path because they don't really have a whole lot of off trail or off path like hiking. There's a little section that we'll get to eventually, but just gonna hike and get some exercise today in the snow. They have this really cool suspension bridge that they put in a couple of years ago. It takes you over the big ravine, so you don't have to hike down and hike up this huge hill. Pretty cool wooden suspension bridge. Edge of the park. This part here is pretty cool. Looks out over the Grand River. You got the lodge down there that you can rent for your different events and stuff. Pretty cool. get to this point at the bottom of the hill by the river, and you finally get off the paved path and start the little bit of trail that goes through the woods. Yeah, just wrapping up here, getting back to the car. So, Ravines, you know, not necessarily the most scenic place, although I was here in the fall and it was really beautiful. Good place to come walk, hike, run. They've even got a dog park here. It's fenced in. If you got a dog, bring it out. I do like coming out for the exercise. We get today pretty decent, 3.2 miles.